Hi and welcome to Snowboard Instructor Tool. Today we're having freestyle with Blake. As usual, feel free to pause the video, finish your analysis and share it in the comment section down below. If you like the training, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel and sharing with your coworkers. Let me know also if you like the slow motion video for the freestyle. So Blake, his goal is to do his board slide 270 out. He's really close. Physical, he started freestyle this season, he looks fit and is an adult man. Psychological, he looks keen. The terrain condition, or the module for this case. It's a flat, wide, low to the ground box. Pretty good for learning new tricks. The equipment looks okay. For my observation, I'm gonna use the approach, take-up, maneuver, landing, so I can practice looking at those specific areas for the tricks. Feel free to use your way of analyzing the freestyle that you prefer or that match your certification. So for his approach, he's going straight to the module. He has a good amount of speed for this module. He's slightly on his back foot and his knees has bent. For the takeoff, he has no hair time, so not really popping. He has a good position to get to a board slide. For the maneuver, the board side part of the maneuver is good. Doesn't get past 180 out. So he's looking forward to the end of the box. His upper body is not locked in or in position for the 270 out. For his landing, he's landing across the slope. His shoulder position and his look are on the wrong side. So my instructor goal to help him to storm that 270 out is going to set and lock the upper body and the head to prepare the 270 out. I feel this is what's missing for him to just get that rotation completely in. For the exercise, the first one will be on pretty flat terrain, butter pretzel, to really have the feeling of that 270-degree spin. Then my second exercise will be the 50-50 backside one out. This is to really work on locking the head and the shoulder position on the box to prepare the spin out. And finally, my third exercise, we're gonna try that board slide 270 out and we will focus our head and shoulder to be in the good position to get that 270 out. And obviously a lot of practice. If that trick can lock quickly, we can still try to spin the other direction. We can try to go from a front side board slide 270 out. Plenty of variation that will add more trick into his bag. I look forward to see your analysis and your lesson plan for Blake. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.